Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, Wipro results to be announced today. Wipro company will announce its results today. It is expected to report good results, but we need to see the actual numbers once they are released. At the time of shooting this video, Wipro was trading 2.8% higher at Rs 430 per share. News number 2, PhonePe may enter stockbroking business. Payment app PhonePe is planning to enter stockbroking business. Already Paytm has received stockbroking license from SEBI and is operating from many months. PhonePe has 44% market share in UPI market, UPI transactions, and is hoping to use its customer base to provide stockbroking services. News number 3, Zomato becomes a public limited company and finalizes bankers for IPO. Zomato has been converted from a private limited company to a public limited company in April first week. It is preparing for an IPO and has appointed bankers for the same. It is planning to list on the stock markets as soon as possible once it gets approval from SEBI. News number 4, GDP forecast cut by analysts. Due to the sudden rise in COVID cases in India in the last 1 to 2 months, various organizations and analysts have cut their GDP forecast for India. They had expected 10 to 12% GDP growth for 2021-22, but now they are revising the figures and expecting lower growth. News number 5, today's stock market update. Nifty went up by 77 points to close at 14,582 plus 0.53%. Sensex went up by 260 points and closed at 48,804 plus 0.53%. Previous close of Nifty 14,504, opening 14,522, highest 14,597, lowest was 14,353, so huge difference, and closing 14,582. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please type good in the comment section. Please press the like button as well and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.